What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Update on everything. It's supposed to be on the BMW today, but my kickstand bolts fell out, so I gotta go. Right now, I gotta go get my pistol permit because I lost my wallet. Oh yeah, I updated my wallet. Somebody found it, right? And I'm a firefighter, right? So they were like, they called my headquarters, and then they called them, said, hey, I found your guy's wallet. I'm out of town right now, but I'll bring it by as soon as possible. So in my mind, I'm like, this dude took my wallet and went out of town with it. Like, that makes a lot of sense, you know? Instead of going to return it to my headquarters or to whoever the address says on the license. You know what I mean? That makes a lot of sense, don't it? But they didn't do that, so I'm waiting for them to bring that back so I don't have to go pay for an EMT license or pay for a firefighter ID. And I had my pistol permit in there, and I've been riding around without my gun for a while, for like 2 weeks now, and I don't really like that. Gotta protect yourself at all times, y'all. But yeah, I'm on the FZ07 today. I took my BMW out the other day, and then I recorded footage as well. I was going to the drag strip, but as soon as I got there and hit the entrance, I turned in. It's like this, probably like half a mile to the like real entrance, and I put my foot down on the red light, and I looked down. Well, first I started slipping. I was like, oh my god, this better not be that coolant I just put in here. I know I tightened everything down. It can't be the coolant. So then so I pull over and I look, and it's oil. I'm like, man, not now. Like, I'm trying to race tonight. But it ended up being my oil. It was just my oil cap, and it was just my oil cap, and the O-ring on it went bad. It was just shooting out oil just a little bit, but I rode 20 minutes over there, so it looked like it was a lot that came out when it really wasn't in reality. But the day after that, I went to go pick up new O-rings, and I shot footage again, and it got ruined because my shutter speed was too low for the settings I have on my GoPro. So it made everything super bright. I had a super low shutter speed. I recorded in 2.7K. I did have it in 60 frames per second, and then I dropped down to 30. And then I was looking on YouTube, looking on YouTube for like the best settings for a GoPro, because I got an ND filter and stuff like that. And I put the ND filter on there, but because this Motovlogging case setup thing has a 52 millimeter filter adapter that goes around the camera lens, but you can see the edges of the filter, so I took it off. But yeah, I left the settings on thinking it was going to be good. The settings are fine. It was just I didn't put the right shutter speed, so the person that said it on YouTube obviously didn't have the right shutter speed on there, or didn't say the right one, so I put it at 196 or 148 or something like that, and it was just super bright. I couldn't even fix it in post. I tried to edit it out and like fix it, but it wouldn't work, so I just scrapped everything. But yeah, and then I'm working on the BMW right now, or I just fixed it. The head bearings were loose. Like, I took my triple tree off and everything. And you know, the top nut that goes over your original, not original, over the first nut that, like, oh shit, that like holds everything down so you don't have any play in your steering tube. Though, like, both of those nuts were loose, so I was like, dang, no wonder I got some play. And the guy warned me about that when he drove my bike like 2 or 3 weeks ago. He's like, hey man, I wouldn't play with that. You know, like, that's playing with your life. Like, if you hit the right bump or whatever, it can snap your head tube in half and send you flying and just have a fucked up day. So like, anything like that when it comes to a motorcycle and someone tells me it's risking my life, oh, I don't play. I go get it fixed immediately. And unless I can do it myself, then I'll fix it myself. Yeah, other than that, there ain't much to it. I did a coolant flush on the BMW. I put engine ice in there, and man, that thing, bro, engine ice has to be the best motorcycle coolant there is by far. Because the crap I had in there before, I don't know what he put in there, it was not keeping my bike cool at all. Like, it was overheating at red lights. Like, I had to pull over one day. I'm gonna try to insert a clip of the, oh no, I already uploaded a video of me, like, I pulled over and it overheated and all that when I was chasing down that ZX-10R. Like, all my coolant came out. Yeah, that was that day. All my coolant came out. So I couldn't ride for a couple days, so I ordered that engine ice. Oh yeah, and then the other day I got everything fixed. This was before I fixed the play in my head bearings. I was riding. I rode to the gym so I can try out race mode, because I haven't ridden anything other than rain, sport, and then now race. And I was like, holy crap, this is a different bike, like totally different bike. So I did that, and then so I did that, and bro, that bike, Jesus Christ. Like, I rode somebody's Aprilia, like, I think like a month or 2 weeks before that, right after I came back from Chicago from my vacation, and golly, boy, that Aprilia don't play. Like, that thing is so torquey, and just like, it's all the power is right there in first gear. Like it's crazy how aggressive and speed, like how much speed it has in first gear. Like, I think I did like 80 in first gear, or 90, somewhere around there, I can't remember. And I don't even know what ride mode he had it in either, but I was shocked. He had it lowered, which, I mean, I don't like riding lower bikes, but he had it super lowered. But yeah, it was a pretty good experience. I should have recorded it, but I didn't have my GoPro at the time. Alright, we back. I'm just glad she didn't make that difficult. Super easy process. She just printed me off a new one. Even though she did say I should have brought a police report that it was stolen. Like, really? I didn't do all that. But she just said next time. Nice lady. Nice lady. God, I love this bike, man. I'm gonna be sad when it's gone, cause just that sound, man, you cannot get over it. Like the snap, crackles, and pops, man. And then it's just so loud too. I love that. Fun little bike. This is my first bike, man. I'm about to get ready to sell it, or try to at least. But at the moment, for the BMW, I am debating if I want to buy an exhaust for it. and I'm looking at the spark exhaust, because I mean the headers are fine, but because like they're covered anyways, the only thing I would want the slip-on to be is fully titanium, which is definitely not out of my price range because it's just a slip-on. But I'm looking at the spark exhaust, and I'm looking at a, dang, I can't remember the name of it. It was some random name, but apparently it broke the world when they posted it in 2014 or something like that. I think if you search that, you can pull it up what I'm talking about, or I'll just put it in the video of the name. I think it's like Race Fit or something like that. I don't know, but it's crazy loud. Apparently they posted a video in 2014 and it was so loud when they did a flyby, everybody went crazy and their sales went to the roof or something like that. I don't know if that's true or not, but that exhaust is loud, and I would love something like that on my bike, kind of like this, because this one has a hot bodies racing, full racing exhaust. I'm probably gonna look at their website as well to see if they have anything for my bike. I doubt it, cause like that's like Austin Racing and what's the other one, and SC Project don't make those exhausts for my bike anymore unless they're all the same dimensions for the pipes and whatnot. I can just get one for a newer BMW and put it on there, but I gotta look at that also. So listen to that, baby. God, I love that sound, baby. Very distinct sound. I don't think there's another exhaust that sounds like that. Look, is he talking to me? See, I don't like stuff like that. When I ain't got my gun on me. And I do not like riding a motorcycle, people walking up beside me talking loud on the phone, or crackheads talking to themselves. So yeah, hopefully this footage does not get ruined. Hopefully, I looked at my shutter, like I was adjusting my shutter while the camera was on, and it dimmed it all the way down. So hopefully there's nothing wrong with this footage, so I can upload it. I'm gonna upload this video today. I think that was my buddy right there in that 5.0. Yeah, I'm just heading back to the house now. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget, like, comment, subscribe, share. Hey, follow me on TikTok. It's Bush V2. I'm kind of active on there, like not a whole lot, but I'm trying to get better because I do have another TikTok account that I run full-time, well, quote-unquote full-time, and I'm trying to do YouTube at the same time and work. So the schedule's kind of crazy all around. Ride safe. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and don't forget, wear your gear. Deuces.